7th class students, how are you? I hope you are fine. So let's we start today our lecture number 14 and our chapter number 9, and our topic is computer networks. First of all, I am described to what is computer networks. In simple word, network, when two and more than two computers connected with each other through the wire, we also call that is a network. A network consists of many people or devices connected to one another to some way. A computer network is a network of computers and hardware devices connected by wires. Computers are connected through the wires, and these network of computers can be share our resources, hardware and software application with each other and communication with each other in the less time. In the next slide, students, you see devices, sending device and receiving device. Sending device we use to send data over a network, and receiving device, data or signal sent by a sending device. Okay students, you can see this definition of the page. And now I am described to transmission medium. Transmission medium connects computer to the server, and now I am described to what is server. When we connect our computers to a very large and powerful computer is called a server. A server can store a lot of data and expensive software. Okay students, you must be know that server is a very powerful computer, and all other computers connected to the server is called client server computer. The wires or cables connecting telephone lines and computers are transmission mediums. Main three type of cables, computer networks connected with each other through the wires, and wires also called cables. Here I am described to three type of cables: coaxial cables, twisted pair cables, and fiber optic cable. Student, you see in this page that is a coaxial cable. In the next slide, you see right hand of side, that is the fiber optics cable, and the left of side is the twisted pair cable. In the next slide, the computer network. The computer network is a group of computers connected to each other by a transmission medium. Students, you see here different type of mediums. A computer that is not part of network is called a stand-alone computer. And students, you see the picture of hub on this page, that is a hub. A hub connect to the computer in a network. Cables from all the computers are connected to the hub. बेटा यहाँ पे आपको हब की एक तस्वीर दिखाई गई है. जो भी कंप्यूटर्स होते हैं एक नेटवर्क में, जितने भी कंप्यूटर्स होते हैं उनकी जो वायर्स हैं वो अटैच होती हैं हब के साथ. जो भी डाटा ट्रांसफ़र होता है वो पहले हब को होता है, उसके बाद डिफरेंट कंप्यूटर्स को वो डाटा ट्रेवल होता है. अगर हमारी जो हब है वो डैमेज हो जाती है तो जो हमारा सिस्टम है वो क्या हो जाएगा, ब्रेक डाउन हो जाएगा. ठीक है. और अगर हमारा कोई एक सिस्टम नेटवर्क में हमारा कोई एक सिस्टम डैमेज हो जाता है तो बाकी सारे हमारे सिस्टम वो अपना जो वर्क है वो कंटिन्यू करेंगे. लेकिन अगर हमारी हब डैमेज हो जाती है तो हमारा पूरा सिस्टम ब्रेक डाउन हो जाता है. इन द नेक्स्ट स्लाइड आई एम डिस्क्राइब टू स्विच. A switch is better than a hub. A switch has now the address of each computer on the network and send the data to the address of the every computer. Routers. A router connect two network. It enables a message to be sent from one network to the another network. Students, today our lecture is end, so listen it carefully. Allah Hafiz.